Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through a feature in which you can create and preview job notification templates. It will be used while sending initial job notifications to the job entity or factory. Let's see how this works. Here we will create and preview a new job notification template. First, open the Job Notification Templates tab from the app launcher. Here you will see a list of all existing job notification templates. To create a new job notification template, click on New. In the Details section, provide country, service, and customer. These parameters will be used to select the template while sending the job notifications. In Send to and CC to sections, tick check boxes for related job parties to whom you would like to send the job notifications. Parties selected in the Send to and CC to section will be added as to and CC recipients of the job notification email, respectively. Here we are ticking Send to Job Entity Contact checkbox in Send to section and CC to Program Contact checkbox in CC to section. Because we want to send job notification emails to Job Entity Contact as main recipient and Program Contact as CC recipient. If you want to set multiple additional emails for 2, CC and BCC recipients, in that case, you can add them as semicolon separated in Send to Other Contacts, CC to Other Contacts, and BCC to Other Contacts fields. Here, we are adding semicolon separated sales@snapdeal.com and support@snapdeal.com as BCC recipients. In the notification section, provide the email subject. Here we are using this as a subject. Provide email body. Here we are using this as a body. You can add merge fields in the subject and body. Select the merge field you want to add from the drop-down. It will show the merge field API name. Copy and use it in the subject and body. Set the Include Client Code of Conduct checkbox to true if you want to include a code of conduct document in the job notification email. Set the Include Sender Signature checkbox to true if you want to include the sender's signature in the job notification email. You can include attachments in the job notification emails. Click on Upload Files in the Attachments section. Select the files from your local storage. Once a file is uploaded, then it will show in the list. After adding all these details, you can save or preview the template. On save, the template will be saved. On preview, it will save the template and open the preview. Click on Save. It will save the template and display a success message. If you want to preview the job notification template, then open the Job Notification Templates tab from the app launcher. Open the job notification template. Go to the preview section. If this section is not available, then ask your admin to add the section and preview component on this page. Now choose a job for which you want to preview the template. It will auto-populate fields using the job field values. Here, merge fields are replaced with job field values. Now click on the Send. A test email will be sent. Here is the test email. Thank you for watching.